Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Ford Focus bonnet lock. First, let's identify common issues that prevent your bonnet from opening. Often, the lock mechanism can become stiff or corroded over time, making it difficult for the key to turn or the latch to release. We will also check for any visible obstructions around the lock or the release cable. Ensuring the key turns smoothly is our initial diagnostic step before proceeding with any repairs. Once you have identified the issue, the next step is to apply a penetrating lubricant directly into the lock mechanism. Use a product like WD-40 or a similar penetrating oil. While the lubricant works, gently insert your key and try wiggling it back and forth, applying slight pressure. Simultaneously, try to lift the bonnet a few inches to relieve any tension on the latch. Repeat this process several times to help the lubricant penetrate. Once mixed, dispense the prepared broth into suitable containers, such as test tubes or flasks, filling them to about 2/3 capacity. Cap the containers loosely with cotton plugs or screw caps to allow steam to escape during the sterilization process. Then, sterilize the broth using an autoclave at 121 degrees Celsius and 15 pounds per square inch for a minimum of 15 minutes. Sometimes, the lock mechanism is beyond simple repair and requires replacement. If the internal components are broken or severely corroded, a new bonnet lock assembly is the best solution. Ensure you purchase a part specifically designed for your Ford Focus model to guarantee compatibility. If you are unsure about performing the replacement yourself, it is always wise to consult a professional mechanic. They can ensure a secure and proper installation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.